people out there, it's me again. So as you can see,
Maddie too.
Oh yeah, I have the Maddies here with me. So in today's video, it's totally different, and I'm sure you guys did not see this one coming, but I am
Mommy is getting her hair cut off.
Yep, I am cutting my natural hair off. My husband is going to be doing it for me, so I'm nervous, but I'm excited. I've been wanting this for a while. Aww. I've been wanting this style for a while, but I guess I just got caught up in growing my hair back out that I was just like, whatever. Now I'm ready for a change, and I'm going to put my fear to the side and embrace this new do. So
do it, do it, do it.
Alright, so let's get it. Alright, so you know what length to do it? Oh my god! Oh my god! Give me time to breathe and to take it all in.
It's like taking off a Band-Aid.
I can make a blanket out of that.
Not a blanket. Well, I hope it's enough to make you a blanket.
I'm making a blanket out of this, and comment down below if that's weird.
You can make a wig though.
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna wear it every day I go to school.
So you're gonna wear that to school if I make it into a wig?
Yes.
Ooh, all your friends are gonna be jealous. You're gonna wear your mommy's hair. Natural hair.
I'm making a wig.
You're so silly.
Alright, I'm done. See you later.
Right. You better not leave me half bald and hair looking all which ways.
Yeah.
It's so far. Why do you have on your brother's pajamas?
I don't know. Jasmine's always picking her nose and it's all bleeding.
Me. Whoops.
You see how fast Look now, you can't be scared of me. If you mess up, we just gonna go little pizza, okay? Don't little pizza me yet, just in case. Oh my gosh. Yo, my hair.
Lean forward.
Okay. Now don't, you know how short to make it, right? Don't, not bald, but.
Well, this is as long as I can make it. So you want me just to do the front center so you can see it?
Yeah. Why the front center though?
No going back.
Okay.
You want me to do like an Antonio with the back?
No, I don't want an Antonio Brown cut.
James Conner.
No.
I remember his hair. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, it's like shade, like faded on the sides, and then a patch in the middle. That's weird. But they got money, they can do stuff like that. My hair's thick, honey.
Yeah, it's like jamming this thing out.
here I am. So this is only part 1. Now I have to go style it and get it done. But yes, y'all, I cut my hair. Well, he cut my hair. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a big thumbs up if you did, or if you have short hair as well. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.